to what? To Lamar theory. We all stop at what? Stop at episode 12 on this what? On this wonderful what? Wonderful channel. And today we are moving on to what? Episode what? Episode 13. Are we together? I remain your one and only, Delapse, aka Omo Mommy, like my friends do call me. Now today we are moving on to what? Episode 13. But today, what are we talking about? We're going to talk about what? Mathematics. Mathematics as a what? As a subject. And what? Mathematics as a what? As a course on its own. How we also going to look at the careers in what? The careers in mathematics. In our last clip, which I dropped the video, that I told us that when you study mathematics as a course, it's not about you becoming a what? A teacher. That is a what? As a capital. No. Are we together? So today we are going to talk about that subject and as a what? As a course. Now let's go. Before we go, don't forget to grab your pen, a paper, if possible, you get a popcorn and what? And relax on the sofa. And let's have this what? And let's have this together. Okay. So now the first thing we're going to talk about here is because everybody say mathematics. But actually a lot of people and a lot of students have a different definition for the subject. They will say M is this, A is this, T is this. Well, that is fun. That is lovely. But today I have a definition. What is mathematics on its own? Mathematics is a science that deals with what? That deals with logic of shapes, quality, and arrangement. When we are talking about mathematics, mathematics is a science course. It's a science subject. Are we together now? But you understand? But in secondary school, both commercial, art, and science students all have to what? Do the subject, because it's very what? Is very, very compulsory. Are we together now? So mathematics is a science that deals with the logic of shapes. Are we together? Quality and arrangement. We all know that mathematics is all around us. We apply mathematics every blessed day of our life. Mathematics is just like we're building a block. Are we together now? There is nothing like in a place, in a society where you don't see people building houses. That is just mathematics. Anybody that is building, you have to apply what? Mathematics. So under mathematics as well, in secondary school, we have a mathematics branches of what? Branches of mathematics in secondary school. So what are the branches of mathematics under secondary school? We have it as we have the geometry, we have the number theorem, we also have the what? Arithmetic. Are we together? As a course or as a subject, we have branches under what? Under mathematics. Number one, we have the what? We have the algebra. We have the what? Number two, we have the number theorem. And number three, we have the what? We have the geometry. And number four, we have the what? Arithmetic. That is for the what? For secondary school, the branches of what? Mathematics that we have. Because if you look at the scheme of work of secondary school, all these branches that I've mentioned, those are the topics that they are doing. But in the university level, we have a different branches of mathematics. Are we together now? Now, mathematics as a what? As a course. As a student, I want to study mathematics in the university. Now, I will let you know that mathematics is one of the most beautiful course in the university. Are we together? So now, to study mathematics as a course in the university, there are some steps we need to you need to take. You have to be a science student in your secondary school. Then you sit down for what? Sit down for jump. Then you score a very high score. Your what? Your jump. Then from there, you pass your post-UTME and so on. Then you apply for the course, and now under in university, there are two mathematics that we have. The mathematics for what? Mathematics for education. Then we also have what? BSc what? Mathematics. So for those that want to go for teaching line, mathematics education is what? Is for them. Where those who want to have the pure and the what? And applied mathematics, which deals with the engineering, the physics, and so on and so forth. So we have mathematics education. We also have what? BSc what? Mathematics. So are we together now? So now, in the university, studying mathematics as a course is one of the most good thing, because you study mathematics is when you graduate, you don't think maybe you become a teacher. No, there are a lot of careers under what? Under mathematics, and there are a lot of benefits under what? Mathematics. So you being a mathematics student or a mathematician, you understand, a lot of doors will be what? Will be open to you if you don't limit yourself in your what? In your environment. Are we together now? So let's say mathematics as a course. Let's say you study mathematics now as a course in the what? In the university. Are we together? Now, when you are through studying mathematics as a course in the university, you spend 4 years, a very good 4 years. Now, what are the careers that as a mathematics student, as a mathematician, as a graduate of mathematician, what are the careers in mathematics? Number one, as a mathematician or as a graduate of mathematics, you can work as a data analyst and data scientist. That is one of the most beautiful things there. You can also work as an accountant in the what? In the banking system. That is another what? Another beauty careers in what? In mathematics. You can also work together with the economists. You can work together with what? Statisticians. Are we together? You can work in a big organization. You can work in a what? In operating, you can work in a marketing operating analysis. So, today, you see that the world is moving fast. We are moving on into what? Into the technology environment. So, if you studying the mathematics as a course in the university, is a goal for you. So you don't need to limit yourself. We have a lot of careers in what? Careers in mathematics. So mathematics, you understand? So as a mathematics student and as a graduate that study what? Mathematics, you can also work in the what? In a financial what? Analysis, and can also work in what? And you can also work in as a algorithm what? Algorithm engineers. So there are a lot of what? Careers in what? Mathematics. You can also work as a teacher, but that is the ideology of people. You understand that? What's your discipline? Mathematics. So the ideology is teacher. No. You as a graduate of mathematics, you'll be the one not to limit yourself in what? In acquire what? More knowledge. So that people will know what? Will not just figure you as a what? As a teacher. So you as a mathematics graduate, you have to what? You have to acquire more knowledge. Maybe in searching more what? Career together with it. So as a mathematics student, you can also become a lecturer in the university. So are we together now? So there are a lot of what? There are a lot of careers in what? In mathematics. Now, why do we study mathematics? We study mathematics for what? To solve problems, for critical thinking, for career what? For career opportunities, and to innovate and what? And creativities. There are a lot of creativities around us that involve mathematics. And we also have educational what? Foundation. And we also have intellectual development. So you studying the mathematics is one of the very very what a good course in what